Let me just write.
My name is Kian.
Kian? Wow, hello Kian. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
Yeah. Yes.
Yes, you can say nice to meet you too, teacher. Nice to meet you.
Hello.
Hello. Okay, so how are you today, Kian? How are you today? Are you happy today?
Hôm nay con cảm thấy thế
Hôm
nào?
nay thế nào?
Happy.
Wow, that's very good. Good job. That's very good to know that you are happy today.
Đừng mà.
And how old are you? How old? Are you 7 years old?
Con bao nhiêu tuổi? Six.
Oh,
I'm
6.
6 year old. I'm 6 year old. Yeah. Old.
Wow, very good. You are 6 years old. It's nice to know you.
Thế này.
Okay. So nice to meet you again, Ken. So I will be your teacher starting today. So now, Ken, are you ready for our lesson today? Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes, I'm ready. Okay. So for our lessons for today, we will talk about the toy store. Let's say
Câu chuyện đồ chơi.
the toy
Đọc đi. The toy. The toy. Store.
store.
Store. Store.
Very good. One more time. Let's say the toy store.
The toy store.
Wow, very good, Kian. So now let's take a look at the let, let's take a look at the picture. What can you see in the picture? What can you see?
Bạn nhìn thấy gì trong bức tranh?
What can you see? I can see.
Can see xe đạp or bicycle. I
Let's,
can see bicycle.
very good. Wow,
I can see
bicycle. Good job. I can see
Con nói tiếp. I can see. I can see robot.
robot. Very good. There is also robots. Good job. How about this one,
I can see
Kian?
a flag. Nghe cô nói.
You can how about this one? What is this? This is a teddy bear.
Robot.
Robot?
Teddy bear.
Yes, teddy bear. One more time. Teddy bear.
Teddy bear.
Wow, very good. So now, teacher has a question for you, Kian. Do you like toys? Do you like toys? Yes or no?
Bạn có thích đồ chơi không?
Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
Yes, I like. What is your favorite toy? What is your favorite toy?
Con có thích đồ chơi
Là
không?
gì?
Yes.
Yes. What is your favorite toy? Do you like robots? Do you
Yes.
like Yes,
Yes.
wow. How about cars? Do you like cars like this?
Yes.
Toy cars. Yes, wow, very good. So for our lesson for today, so we will talk about these toys. So are you ready? Ready,
Yes.
ready? Yes. Wow, we
Yes.
have yes. Wow, so we have another student. Okay. So, wow. Hello there. Hello, good evening, and welcome to our class. So, my name is Teacher Iris. How about you? What is your name?
Yeah, what is your name?
What's your name? Oh, Tom? Is your name Tom?
What is your name? Câu hỏi con tên là gì?
What is your name? Are
Trả
you
lời à
Tom?
con? Hỏi con đấy, Tom kìa.
Let's say, my name is Tom.
Con muốn thi cái gì đấy? Dương.
Wow. And how old are you, Tom? how old are you? Are you also
Con trả lời cô đi đã.
6 years old?
Yes. How old are you here?
Oh, I am 6. Let's say
Bạn
I am 6 years old. Okay, so Tom, so for our lesson for today, so we will talk about toy store. So I have here a question that Kian answered earlier. So now I will ask you, Tom, what is your favorite toy, Tom?
đồ chơi yêu thích của bạn là gì?
What's your favorite toy, Tom? Car. Wow. You like toy cars? Like cars. Wow, that's very good. So for this one, we will talk about toys. So now, let's go with our next page. Okay, so for this one, we will talk about, let's say, transportation.
Transportation.
Okay, one more time. Let's say it slowly. Let's say transportation.
Transportation.
Okay, very good. How about you, Tom? Let's say trans. Let's say transportation. Very okay. One more time. Transportation. Okay, wow, very good. Very good, Tom and Kiet. So for this one, we will talk about transportation. So when we say transportation, yes, these are the things that we ride to travel. So we go to school, we use transportation. We drive a car or bicycle. So we will learn about those in this lesson. Okay, so let's go with our video here. Let's watch. Yeah. Okay, so let's watch a video. Okay, let me just open the video here. So for this one, we will listen and watch the video. So tell teacher if you cannot hear or you cannot see the video. Yes. Okay, just one moment. Let me just open the video. Transportation. Okay. So can you see? Can you see it now? Ching. Can you hear it?
Yes.
Let's go
Okay, let's
outside.
watch the video.
Look, Henry has a small car.
Small
Is that
car.
a fast car? Yes, it is.
Yes, it
Look,
is.
Mary has a big car. Is it a
car.
fast car too? No, it isn't. It's a slow car. These cars are toys. But those cars aren't. They're for transportation. Look! What's that? It's a big train.
Very good.
Is
It's a
it
big
noisy? Yes, it is. What's that?
What's
It's
that?
a train too.
It's a train.
Is it old? Yes, it is. What are those? They're
Bicycle.
new bikes.
Bikes.
Are they noisy bikes? No, they're quiet bikes.
Quiet.
Look! Can you see bikes? No, you can't. Can you see cars? Yes, you can. Can you see trucks? Yes,
No.
you can.
Ano? Yes.
Trucks are big.
Big.
Look at the water. Can you see trucks? No, you can't. Can you see boats? Yes, you can. You can
Boats.
see big boats,
Big boats.
and you can see small boats.
Small boats.
Trains,
Trains.
bikes, trucks, and boats are all for transportation. Can you
Yes.
ride a bike? Can you drive a car?
Okay, so that is the video about transportation. So now teacher will ask you a
Nghĩa là các phương
question.
tiện giao thông, được chưa?
Okay.
Transportation. Sport
Okay,
là
so
thể thao.
teacher will ask you about this. What transportation is this? This is the
Big chain.
train. Very, very
Chain.
good. Good job. This is a train. Is it big? Is it big train or small train?
Chain. Nghĩa là đoàn tàu nữa. Được chưa?
Is it big or small? Big
Big
train.
chain.
Very,
Small
very
chain.
good.
Small chain.
It's a big train. Very good. How about you, Kian? Is this? Yes, very good. This is a big train. So next one. Let's go with this. Okay. What do we call this? What is this? It's a bike. Very good. So now teacher has a question for bike. Let's go first with Kian. Do you know how to ride or drive a bike? Kian?
Right. Yes.
Yes
Câu
or
hỏi
no?
là biết. Yes. Cô đang hỏi con.
Do you ride a bike? Yes. Wow, very good. How about? Yes, perfect. Very good. How about Tom?
Thật là tuyệt vời.
Tom, do you know how to ride a bike? Do you know how to ride a bike? Do you know how to ride?
Lại bận rồi.
Biết đi xe đạp không?
Do you know how to ride a bike, Tom? Yes or no? Yes. Yes. Wow, very good. You both know how to ride a bike. So next, very good. This is a bike. Next one. Let's go with this. What do we call this? These are cars. Very good. These are cars. How about Tom? What
Rất là nhiều.
What are these? These are cars. Okay, very good. How about this one? Let's go with the next. Transportation. What is this?
What? Thuyền. What?
Thi-
Nói đi.
This is boat. Very good. One more time. Let's see. Boat. Perfect. Very good. Boat. How about, is it a big boat or small boat? Big boat. Very good. Big boat. Good job. So this is a big boat. How about this one?
Nó là big boat.
Is this a big boat or small boat? Small boat. Very good. Very good, Kian and Tom. So this is
small boat.
small boat. Small boat. One more time. Small boat. Very good. So these are small boats. Very good. Okay, so now let's talk about more about these transportation. Let's go to our very good. Let's go to our next page. So let's listen, point, and say. Okay. So tell
Bus.
teacher if you can hear. Bus. Very good. So now let's listen first about these.
Train. Train.
Wow.
Train. Boat.
Okay.
Boat.
Boat. Okay. Can you hear the sound? Can the
Yeah.
sound be heard? Oh, I think the sound cannot be heard. So now let's read the first transportation. Let's say bus. Very good. One more time. Bus.
Bus.
Okay, let's try to say it 3 times. Bus, bus, bus.
Bus. Bus. Bus.
Very good. Very good to the both of you. Now, teacher has a question. Is it a big bus or small bus?
Big bus.
Big, big bus. Very good. Next one, let's go to our second transportation. Let's say truck.
Truck.
Perfect. Let's try to say it 3 times. Truck, truck, truck.
Truck.
Very good. Okay, let's take a look at the picture. Is the truck big or small?
Big truck.
Big truck. Very good. Both of you are so smart. So next one, let's go with our next transportation. Let's say train.
Train.
Perfect. Let's try to say it 3 times. Train, train, train.
Train.
Wow, very good. Now let's take a look at the color of this train.
Train.
Big train, very good. And now, what color is the train? What color?
Đoàn tàu này màu gì?
What color?
Blue.
It's blue. Wow, very good. It's a
and green.
blue and green. Blue and green train. Perfect. Very good. So now, let's go to our next transportation. Let's say boat. Boat.
Boat.
One more time. Let's say boat.
Boat.
Perfect. Let's try to say it 3 times. Boat. 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 Very good.
Boat.
Wow, very good. Good job. So this is a boat. So next, let's go with our next page. Okay. So what is this again? Kian and Tom. What
Bus.
is bus? One more time. Let's say bus.
Bus.
Okay. Perfect. So now, how many bus can you see? How many?
Bạn nhìn thấy được bao nhiêu chiếc xe buýt?
One.
What? Very good.
One bus.
Very good. One bus. Okay. Now, what color is the bus? What color?
Yellow.
Yellow. Very good. It's a yellow bus. So now, let's take a look at our next picture. Ching. Okay. Let's look at these. How many buses are there? How many?
Two bus.
2 bus. Okay, very good. 2 bus. Very good. So we see 2 bus. So for this one, Kian and Tom, if we see 2 bus, so we will use the word buses. Let's say buses. Can you say? Let's say buses.
Bus.
Okay, one more time. Let's say it. Let's try to say it. Okay, let's try.
Buses.
Very good. Let's try to say it 3 times. Buses, buses, buses.
Buses.
Buses. Buses. Buses. Buses.
Two buses.
Buses. Very good. Very good. So for this word, if we only yes, very good. So if we only have one bus, we will call it bus. But if we have two or many bus, we will use buses. Buses. Yes, very good. So, very good. So let's try to practice. Okay, Kian and Tom, if we have three bus, what should we use? If we have three bus, what should we use? Bus or buses?
Bus or bus.
Okay, if we have, okay,
Buses.
very good. We will use buses. So,
Or
okay,
buses.
buses. Very good. So if we have two, yes, if we have two or more, we will use buses. We will add ES. Yes, buses. ES. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, very good. So next, let's go to our next transportation. Look, what is this? It's a truck. Very good. Is it big or small?
Big.
Big. It's a big truck. Very good. What color is the truck?
Red and white. Red and white. Red and white.
Very good. It's color red and white. So now, how many truck is there? How
One
many?
truck.
One truck. Very good. How about in one? Perfect. How about in our next picture? How many trucks are there?
Two truck.
Two truck. Very good. So now let's take a look at this word. Let's trucks. Very good.
Two trucks.
Two trucks. Okay. So when we have two or more trucks, we will add S like this. Let's say it. Yes, let's say it 3 times. Trucks, trucks, trucks.
Trucks. Trucks. Trucks. Trucks.
Very good. Perfect. Very good. Now, we have if we have three trucks, what should we use? We will use 3 trucks. Very good. Good job, Kian and Tom. So we will use trucks. Okay. If we only have one, how about if we only have one? What should we use? We will use only truck. Truck. Okay. Without an S. Okay. Very good. So next one, let's go with our next transportation. What is this?
Truck.
Okay,
Train.
one more time. Yes, very good. Train. Train. Let's try to say it 3 times again. Train, train, train.
Train. Train. Train.
Very good. How about you, Tom?
Train.
Yes.
Train.
Very good. Good job.
Train.
Now let
Train. 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 Train.
train
Train.
to train. Okay. Wow, very good. Okay, so now let's take a look at the train. How many train? How many train are there? Or how many train is there?
Train.
One.
Train.
One train. Very good. How about in this picture? How many train? How many?
Trains.
2 trains. Very good. How about you, Ken? How many
Two trains.
trains? 2
Two
trains.
trains.
Very good. So if we have two or more things, we will add S. Like this one. We have two. We have two. That is why we will add S. Trains. Let's say trains, trains, trains.
Church.
Okay, perfect. So now let's move on to our next transportation. This one. What is this?
Mẹ đây là gì?
What is this?
Brad.
Boat. One more time. Let's say boat. Boat. Okay, let's try to say it 3 times. Boat, boat, boat. Okay, very good. Let's take a look at the picture. Is it a big boat or small boat? Small boat, very good. Now, small boat. What is the color of this boat? What color? What color is the boat? Red and white. Very good. It's a red and white boat. How many boats can you see?
One boat.
One boat. Okay, very good.
Boat.
So we only have one boat. One boat. How about this one? Very good. How about in this next picture? How many boats are there?
Three boats.
Perfect. Very good. Wow. So we will add letter S, which will be 3 boats. Okay. So very good. Wow. I can see that you understand the use of adding letter S. How about if we have four boats? What should we use? Boat or boats? If we have four boats or 4 boats?
Four boats.
Very good. How about Kian?
Boats.
4 boats. Very good. So we will use 3 boats and 4 boats. So very good. So we will just add letter S if we have 2 or more things. Okay. So very good. Now, okay, thank you so much. So now let's move on to our next one. Okay, let's listen to a sound here. Let me just open the sound. Okay, this one.
Listen, ask, and answer.
Can you hear the
Then
sound?
practice.
What's this?
Can you hear the sound? Yes? Can you hear it? Ching, ching, ching.
Page 78.
Can you hear it?
C. Listen,
Yes?
ask, and answer.
Okay, let's listen
Then
to the sound.
practice.
What's this?
What's this?
It's an old bus.
What's that?
It's an old bus.
What are these?
They're new buses.
What are those? They're new buses. What's?
Này đây.
What is? It's.
Bố quay lại kiểu gì?
It is. They're.
Bố
They are.
quay lại kiểu gì?
Okay. Okay, so let's first talk about the first question pattern. So let's read this one question. Let's say, what's this? Let's read, what's this? Talk again. Okay, very good. So let's say, it's an old bus.
Bus. An old bus.
Very good. Now, what's that? What's that?
That.
It's an old bus. Okay, one more time.
An old bus.
Okay, very good. So we have a question here. What's this and what's that? So when we say what's, it is short for what is. When we say it's, it is short for it is. So when we have this question, what's this? Okay, so for this one, we have here, what's this? We ask this question if we are talking about a thing that is close to us. For example, this one. What's this? What's this? It's a,
Ô bố ta tìm chỗ nào đây?
what's
Rabbit.
this? It's a rabbit. Very good. So let's answer with it. So if we are asked the question,
Bố.
what's?
Ta thế nào
What's?
đây? Bố.
Okay. So if we are asked a question about what's this, so we will answer it's a or an old bus. Okay? So one more time, let's practice this one. Let's take a look at this one. What's this, Tom and Kian? What's this? It's an, what's this? It's an old,
old bus.
very good. Good job. So that is how we answer the question. Okay. So next one, let's go with the next one. So we have here, let's read first. Let's say, what are these?
What's this?
Very good. How about Ken? Let's read. What are these? Okay. Okay. Okay, so for this question, we will answer their new bus. Let's say their.
Yeah, you bus.
Very good. One more time. What are these? Their.
These.
Yes, so we will answer what we will answer. Their new, new, new bus. Their new bus.
You bus.
Okay, very good.
New bus.
Very good. So if we have this answer or question, what are these? What are those? So we will always answer with their and about that thing that is being asked. So there is short for they are. Okay? So next. Yes, very good. So now, teacher has a question for the both of you. So I have here something. Okay, do you know what is this? Okay, what are these, Tom and Ken? What are these? There. What are these? There. Their pets. Their pets.
Three pesos.
Very good. Okay, let's say it's this one. Their three pens.
Peso.
Okay, very good. One more time. What are these, Tom and Ken? What are these? Their. Their.
Three pesos.
Three pens. Oh,
Pens.
okay, very good. pen. So good job. So that is the use of this question and answer. So for this one, Kian and Tom, since I think we do not have much time, so we will continue this lesson next time, okay? So for this one, thank you very much for your time, Tom and Kian. So you both did a great job in this lesson because I can see that you are very well attentive with our transportation. So good job in today's lesson. So see you again soon, Kian and Tom, and it's nice to meet you again. Goodbye. Okay,
Goodbye, teacher.
goodbye. Practice more of this
Goodbye.
question, okay?
Goodbye, teacher. Goodbye, teacher.
Goodbye. Nice to meet you and nice to see you.
Goodbye, teacher.
Goodbye. Thank you. Let's practice more of this again in our next class. Goodbye.
Là cái thuyền là gì?
Goodbye,
Thank
teacher.
you so much. Bye bye.